You want to lose your belly, define your abs, get lean. These are transformation from real people who bought my 30-day fat loss program. In this video, I will share with you the most powerful fat burning recipes that will give you real results in 1 month if you drink them every single day in sufficient amount. All the ingredients are natural thermogenics that will increase your metabolism and help your body burn more calories and lose pounds of fat even while you're resting. Some of these recipes combine 3 or 4 ingredients, great to boost your metabolism for fat oxidation. If you struggle with overeating, they'll help you reduce hunger, prolong satiety. Natural pre-workouts that will boost your energy, improve circulation, your blood flow. They will boost your immune system. They have anti-inflammatory properties. They will help relieve symptoms of common cold and flu. For the first recipe, we're mixing ginger, cayenne pepper, and apple cider vinegar, raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized with a mother. The preparation is pretty simple. So you wash and you cut your ginger, approximately 1.3 kilos for the whole month, or 2.8 pounds of organic raw ginger. Add the chopped ginger to your blender. You blend your ginger with about 2 or 3 cups of water. Make sure you blend it long enough until you obtain a paste. You can drink this one first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It will kickstart your metabolism, give you energy, and allow your body to burn more fat. You will add 1 gallon of water to a large pot. You bring the water to a boil and you turn off the stove and remove it from the heat. Add the ginger paste to the hot water and let it sit for 2 hours or more. You can even leave it overnight in the fridge if you have the time. So strain your ginger until you obtain the most liquid form. This one is ideal for intermittent fasting because once you strain it, all you have is a liquid form. There's nothing for your stomach to process and it's almost 0 calories. So this way you get all the benefits without breaking your fast. We'll add 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper for the whole month and you stir. Okay, make sure you stir before you serve in the bottle so you don't let it sit at the bottom of the container. So you keep only 1 bottle in the fridge for up to 5 days to preserve the quality. You can freeze it in plastic bottles, plastic containers. or food storage bags with zipper. The serving is approximately 5 fluid ounces or 150 milliliters. Organic raw apple cider vinegar, unfiltered, unpasteurized with the mother. So every day when you serve your drink, you add 1 or 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. If you choose to make it on a weekly basis, you just have to divide all these portions by 4, and that's it. To make it an even better energy booster or pre-workout, you can mix with watermelon. So watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, an amino acid shown to naturally increase nitric oxide production in the body. Higher nitric oxide levels improve blood flow, enhance oxygen delivery to muscles, and delays fatigue during training. That will boost endurance, performance, and muscle recovery. To add more vitamins, fiber, and flavor to this powerful fat-burning drink, you can mix it with fruits like oranges, pineapple, apples, pears, mangoes, kiwi, etc., which makes it an ideal refreshing drink during summer to help you maintain a lean body and avoid gaining extra pounds of fat. In this video, I will show you the whole preparation process and portions, whether you're making a 1-month batch recipe or 1 week at a time, which I recommend to keep it as fresh as possible, or even 1 day at a time, especially if you're using a juicer. You only need to pick one of these recipes and drink it periodically for a month or 2. So ginger and cayenne pepper add an extra layer of metabolic and performance benefit. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound known to lower inflammation, improve digestion, and increase thermogenesis, helping the body mobilize fat more efficiently as fuel. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which enhances blood flow, increases metabolic rate, and stimulates the release of adrenaline, giving you a natural energy lift before training. I usually recommend to drink 1 serving first thing in the morning, but if you want it really bad, you can drink a 2nd serving after dinner to keep burning calories at night. That's usually when you're less active, therefore your metabolism tends to slow down. Ginger is the main fat-burning ingredient in this blend. It helps raise body temperature and boost metabolism, which means you burn more calories and fat throughout the day and during your workouts. Ginger also helps your body use stored fat as energy and supports digestion, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients and maintain steady energy levels. Cayenne pepper boosts those effects even more. It increases circulation, raises metabolism, and provides natural energy lifts by stimulating the body. For the 2nd recipe, we're making ginger cubes using a juicer. It's very easy to make and it's a convenient format if you have a juicer. We're using approximately 350 grams of organic raw ginger. This amount of ginger cubes is for a week. We're using organic raw ginger, cayenne pepper, organic raw apple cider vinegar, unfiltered, unpasteurized with the mother. 1 to 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. So the serving is 1 cube. These are pretty large cube, about 1.5 fluid ounces, about 44 milliliters per cube. And we add to each cube 1 teaspoon of raw apple cider vinegar, unfiltered, unpasteurized with the mother, and we freeze. I recommend an ice cube tray with a lid, If you don't have a lid, you can put the ice cube tray in a food storage bag or plastic bag and freeze it. So you add 1 cube to about half a cup, 1 cup of warm water. You can stir it and drink it. If you choose to take it twice, you can take the second cube after dinner. If you want a better taste, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey. If you prefer to make shots of fresh ginger one day at a time using a juicer and mixing it with fruits. And for that, you can use about 40 grams of organic raw ginger, 3 pinches of cayenne pepper, and 1 fruit. You can mix it with a fruit of your choice for vitamins, fiber, and a better flavor. You can mix it with oranges, pineapple, apples, celery, carrots, cucumbers, lemon, etc. every morning to keep it fresh. A very powerful shot: ginger, cayenne pepper, orange, and 5 to 8 cloves of organic fresh garlic. If you want to make it a very powerful fat burner and energy booster, this recipe is for you. Mix ginger, cayenne with watermelon and beetroot. So beetroot and watermelon create a powerful performance and circulation base that enhances oxygen delivery and endurance, helping expand blood vessels, improve blood flow, and increase oxygen transport to working muscles. Together, they will improve vascular function, delay fatigue, and enhance muscle pumps. You can make it a green juice for detox, mixing with celery, cucumber, lemon or lime. You can mix it with parsley as well. If you need a great fat burner and anti-inflammatory, you can mix it with turmeric. So ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and black pepper powder to activate the turmeric and get all the benefits. So the serving is 1 cube. These are pretty large cube, about 1.5 fluid ounces, about 44 milliliters per cube. I recommend an ice cube tray with a lid. If you don't have a lid, you can put the ice cube tray in a food storage bag or plastic bag and freeze it. So you add 1 cube to about half a cup, 1 cup of warm water. You can stir it and drink it. If you choose to take it twice, you can take the second cube after dinner. If you want a better taste, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey. Raw apple cider vinegar, unfiltered, unpasteurized, with the mother alone is a great fat burner, appetite suppressant, metabolism boosting drink that you can take first thing in the morning. 1 to 2 teaspoons in half a cup or 1 cup of warm water. You can also use it for detox, mixing organic raw apple cider vinegar unfiltered and pasteurized with the mother, adding honey and 1 or 2 lemons or 1 or 2 limes, and drink that first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. If you want to go on a 2-3 day detox to just cleanse your stomach for a reset. So the serving for the detox will be 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of warm water. And you add 1 to 2 lemons or 1 to 2 lime and 1 tablespoon of honey. And you drink that on an empty stomach every single morning for 3 days. And consider a water fast if you want it to be way more effective. If you want to go for a cleanse, a detox, a little reset for your digestive system, I recommend to go on a water fast for at least 48 to 72 hours. Or you can also consider maybe juicing for these 3 days, like green juices, carrot juices, doing those 2-3 days for a reset. Let's get these goals. Get lean, get healthy. Let's go. You want a lean body, get rid of your belly, get shredded, build six-pack abs, regain your self-confidence. My solution for you is Natty and Shredded, a unique step-by-step, easy-to-follow plan that combines the most effective science-based methods to transform your physique and maintain a fit body. It's fast, healthy, and sustainable. Reduce your body fat to 10% without experiencing hunger or fatigue. I will equip you with everything you need to know on nutrition and workout, exclusive videos with permanent access, a cookbook to spice up your meal prep, the most powerful fat loss recipes. Start your transformation now.